beloved Hmong boy. I've waited a long time for you. You won't take my hand, so I must tell you this. I'm getting married. I'm getting married, oh Hmong boy. Farewell to you, the one I love. 'Cause in your heart I'm not the one. I blessed you to find a new love. Just letting you know I will wait. Please come and join my wedding feast. As lovers who once shared a heart, join one last time, then we depart. Glad we met briefly in this life. Our courting days in this moment. Though the one I chose is not you, I'll keep you hidden, warm and near. Kept deep in my heart that you're my one true desire. Perhaps this life not meant to be. Though I love and though I want you, but your heart wouldn't open up. So in the end we drift away. Briefly in this life, our courting days in this moment. Though the one I chose is not you, I'll keep you hidden, warm and near. Kept deep in my heart that you're my one true desire. Perhaps this life not meant to be. Though I love and though I want you, but your heart wouldn't open